I hope you're ready for the next video in the series, because today we're doing gingerbread men nails. I absolutely loved how this came out. I thought they were so cute. And this plate's adorable. It was from the Mani by Me box that has reindeer and gingerbread, all kinds of cool stuff in it. And this is an older Maniology plate that just has some drips in it. That's supposed to be paint drips, but we're going to use it like icing drips. Of course, we're going to start out with Frozen, which I'm fairly certain is my most popular color for Christmas season. Mocha Java. I need to check and see if this one's even still available. I'm pretty sure I got this in a set of 3 on clearance, and I've never used it, but whoo, is it a pretty color. If it's available, yeah, it's a good one. I'm going to grab the outline of these gingerbread men with Frozen and set that to the side so it can start to dry. We are going to do some reverse stamping there. I'm going to have a little immature giggle later about this stamp, so you just... Not the one I'm painting, but the other one. That's all I'm gonna say. We're gonna move on. I'm a little disturbed. Okay, so in order to fill in the gingerbread men, we're gonna go ahead and grab the color Latte. This is what's called reverse stamping, if anybody does not know. And one of my big tips on this one is to go ahead, like if there's a bunch of blank space in it, you can kind of drag your brush through and just kind of paint that way. However, the little places like where the dots and the lines are, I can't stop giggling. Where the sorry, where the dots and the lines are, you can just kind of tap over it with the brush. I can't handle it. Hold on, I gotta stop. Okay, I think I have my composure back now. You just need to go through and kind of tap the color over it. If you don't, the line might smear some. So once we've done that, I'm going to set it to the side and let it dry, and then I'm going to grab this color, Mocha Java. This is definitely a 1-coat polish. That is all I used on here. And it's a beautiful, rich, metallic brown. So you do have to be careful not to get brush strokes in it. But the undertones of this polish are just beautiful. It is this deep chocolate brown, but it almost has like a rose gold shift. It's not really a shift, and it's not really a shimmer, but you can definitely see some hints of rose gold in this color, and it comes out absolutely beautiful. I'm actually going to try this for some stamping for January because it's beautiful color. The one problem I did notice with this, and you'll see it specifically after I put the top coat on the thumb, which is on the right side of the nail at the moment, of the screen at the moment. For some reason, it got a circle in the middle of the nail. It's like the paint spread out or something. The polish just kind of like spread, almost like a water marble, how it would spread out. Very weird. I've never had that happen before, so I don't know if it was just a reaction between this particular polish and the top coat I was using, which was a Sally Hansen quick dry top coat. So you can see there on the thumb, see how it's almost got like a bullseye? I've never had anything like that happen before. It was very odd. Like I've had wrinkling and that kind of thing, but that was different. But I'm gonna go through and grab the gingerbread men and stamp them down and try not to giggle anymore and get them ready. I have not put their faces on yet or any other additional adornments for them, but I am going to go through and grab the frosting drippings, and we're going to put that around the cuticle area of all of the nails. And you could do those wherever you wanted. You know, you could do it across the tip, you could do it on a diagonal, any place where you wanted there to be some kind of drip. I do wish in hindsight that I had gone back. Some of them on the very end look a little more pointy rather than drippy, and I wish I'd gone back in with a dotting tool and put just a few little dots there to make it look a little more puddly. But overall, I still think it came out cute, and the concept is there. So I am doing that across all of the nails. And here was what I really liked about this design idea. I took it easy and kind of toned it down a little bit because I've been getting very extravagant with some of the designs lately, which don't get me wrong, I love that too. but I didn't want to continue to like overdo it and make it feel unachievable for people. So this is what I would kind of call the starter version of it, but you could go back in and like every place that there's white across the top, you could put glitter on the frosting. You could put different colored stones like little gumdrops in the frosting. Anything you could think of that would match a gingerbread man. And so I thought it came out super cute overall. But there are definitely ways that you could bump this up. That circle stares at me through this whole video. It's making me crazy. I really don't know what caused that. It was odd. I'm going to go back in and do another top coat. If you've watched me long, you know that I'm a fan of top coats. I use them a lot during the stamping process and of course while I'm finished, and want to top coat everything as a final seal in, make it shiny and beautiful look. Now we're going to go grab their little faces, and he has the sad face because he has no leg. So he's cranky. The little faces that come on all of these crack me up. There's a daisy plate, the elf plate, and this one that I know of for sure that have little faces. And a snowman plate too. So I'm pretty sure most of these could be interchangeable amongst stamps. So if you have some of these, you might be able to play with a bunch of different faces. And that one's happy. We know why he's happy. I gotta quit. I'm gonna keep laughing. I'm gonna grab a red gem and a green gem and put them on his little belly. So it's like he's got gumdrop belly. Little gumdrops. And here's a dirty secret for you. You know, aside from the dirty secret I've already shown you on the gingerbread man. I hate gingerbread with a passion. I don't like ginger. It tastes like soap to me. Does anybody else have that problem? You know how like some people can't eat cilantro because it tastes like soap? Ginger tastes like soap to me. It's really weird. So anything and everything gingerbread, I love the way it looks. I love the way it smells, but I cannot stand the taste of it. What do you think of this overall? I thought it came out pretty cute aside from my wrinkly, weird, spotty bullseye nail. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I would apologize for the giggling, but it was funny. Sorry. If you want to see another video, there should be one in the right corner for you to click on now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.